Hey everyone, in this video, let's compare Google Antigravity with VS Code. In order to do so, here we are at code.visualstudio.com, and we're also at antigravity.google.com. As you can see, we can download it for Windows on both platforms. Let's go ahead and take a look here. You can see we've got it for Mac and Linux as well. And over here for VS Code, we've got that. Let's see here. Go back. It's like we've got, looks like, okay, other platforms. We've got it for Windows, for Mac, for Debian, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Fedora, SUSE. So if you are interested in using either Antigravity or Visual Studio, you can head to those sites. Google Antigravity is best thought of as an AI-first IDE, while VS Code is still the safer general-purpose editor for day-to-day coding. Antigravity is compelling when you want agent orchestration and multi-step AI help. VS Code is better if you want speed, stability, and the broadest extension support. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our referral code SkillCraft60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link and you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.